I'm gonna start gathering. Yeah, that's good.
Oh yeah, really.
Welcome to Highway 30. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Amy, and we're here to help you get creative.
Yes, we are. So today we're crafting with box 8075.
We are so excited to craft our first holiday box of the year. And this is an exciting one because you get 2 holidays in one.
2 holidays in one.
Yeah.
Yep. So
You got your pumpkin spice.
transitions right into your candy cane.
Yes.
So that's just a quick little sneak peek into this great multi-step project.
If you don't already have this box, the description box below has a whole lot of information for you. First, you can find out the link to this box so you can get it and craft with us. Check out different chapters of our video.
Yeah, so if you need to go to a specific spot in the craft, then you can just click to that chapter.
And we'll link to the inspiration for this craft as well.
So we hope this really gets you into the holiday spirit.
Yes, let's get started.
Let's go.
So we're gonna take the wax, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Be very careful when you're opening it. And I'll just put some on there for us. You want to do front and back.
Can't see what we're doing. It's top secret.
Top secret. Shh.
Oh, that's so pretty.
That's cool. Now it's time for the reverse.
Okay. Edges?
Yeah.
I think I'm getting pieces of foam flying.
That's not this step. That's the next step.
The flying foam step.
I've done that step for you.
Done. That's where the stain would settle, so.
Sometimes I have a hard time knowing when to stop.
Yeah, stop. I'm stopping. Good?
So nice. Peel and reveal.
Okay. Ready?
Ready. Alrighty. So we're going to take our string, yarn,
Where's my string?
over there. Of course, we only have one pair of scissors. So that's going to be fun. So I like to start. Take your very large needle and wrap the yarn over the needle and pull it really tight, and then that'll give you a good chance of wiggling all those different strands through.
Works.
Good job.
Proud of us.
Take two.
That one's thicker, in your defense. In your defense.
Okay. There we go. And then pull out a couple of arm lengths worth. Okay. You might want to decide which side is your top and your bottom. My bottom's kind of flatter. This one has a little angle, which will make it cute.
Yep.
This is the bottom.
That's your bottom.
So hold it at the bottom. And then wrap it to the top. Hold it at the top. And then send it through. Now for the first one, you want to kind of hold down that little tail.
Wrap it up.
With your second one. Put your thumb there, wrap it up, put your thumb there, send it through.
So just continuously keep catching that tail so
Yeah.
it secures that down.
If you get a spot and your yarn isn't closing the gap, just go back with your next row into that previous spot and it'll fill it in. And now it's time for fast forward.
Fast forward. All right, so I'm getting to the point where it's
Get
probably
to the
the
end?
last time I can put my needle through. Yeah, so
Me too. So when you get to the end of your thread, make sure you've got enough room that you can take this really long needle and send it back through at the bottom through a few threads. You can do it. I have confidence in you.
Is that good?
Yes.
Sweet.
And then send it through.
Oh, just made it.
And that's not going anywhere. So then we can take the scissors and trim that off.
Okay.
I'll start over again.
How dramatic.
Now, for this step, after you already have some of your pumpkin covered, go on ahead and thread through this way. And then you've already got your little tail kind of secured in there. I found that if I don't hold it at the bottom with my thumb, if I were to just leave it with my thumb and then just do this, then this gets all caught up.
Tangled.
So if you go ahead and hold it at the top and the bottom, you don't have a problem. So I'm getting to the point where this is getting really full. So with these sticky fingers, if it gets tough to shove your needle through, you can always grab the other side and pull through with your sticky fingers.
They are sticky.
I can clip it off here. It's not going anywhere.
It's not going anywhere. They're super tight.
You're not gonna let your dogs play with these, so.
Right. That would be a bad idea.
I really feel in the spirit now.
I do too.
Yeah, I can't wait for the holidays
I'm ready.
to come.
Ready for fall.
Yes.
love this craft. The pumpkin was a lot of fun to make. It is not a quick craft by any means.
It's not, but it's fun because you can do it while you watch a movie.
Sometimes we need something, that mindless activity to do while we're binge watching videos.
So one of my favorite parts is just this cool little basket.
Yeah.
It's not a basket. It's a tiny crate.
It's a tiny crate.
This
Just a
part.
tray, small tray.
So
Whatever you'd like to call it. And so when you're getting your decorations out for the fall, you already have this out. You're gonna set your pumpkins inside of it, and then all you have to do is put the pumpkins in the drawer, and you have your second craft for the holidays, so you don't have to store as many things. 2 crafts in one. 2 crafts for the holidays.
easy.
Decorations, not crafts. And you can go straight from fall to Christmas with your 2 crafts. Crafts! Okay, so now you're done, and you can So now you're done, and you can go straight from fall
To Christmas.
in 1 craft box.
Easy.
Yeah, this was a lot of fun. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.
Till next time.